This is the prototype for the proposed aquatic feed harvesting mechanism. We have three main systems in the mechanism: the conveyor system, the craft body, and the propulsion system. The craft body is made entirely out of PVCs. We have three main types of joints: the cubic T joints, and the front part is made out of elbow joints, and we have a cross T underneath the wooden base. So for the covering of the aquatic craft, we have used sunboards, which is a variant of PVC. And for the sealing, we have used several types of adhesives, mainly silicone glue and epoxy adhesive.
We have fabricated this by welding together zinc-coated iron plates and iron pipes. For the shaft, we have used the iron shaft of 10 millimeters, and we have reduced the shaft to 5 millimeters at the end by turning in order to connect it to the motor coupling. We have used two sets of bearings to support the iron shaft. As for the motors, we have used two 12-volt geared motors with 160 RPM to power the water wheels, and we have used two PVC coverings to protect the motors from any water splashes.
The craft is designed in a manner so that the center of mass and the center of buoyancy of the craft lies in a vertical line, and the axis connecting the two water wheels are made to intersect the vertical through the center of mass and the center of buoyancy. This is the main control box, and these are the two enclosure boxes. This one contains the Bluetooth module, and this one contains the GPS module. This is a 12-volt battery pack with a capacity of 11,000 milliampere hours, and this is the Arduino Mega board, the voltage regulator, and 2 and 3 motor controllers. As you can see, currently the battery provides 11.9 volts. And it provides 5 volts for the other modules.
We have used auto wires to supply power to the motors because of the high current. So this is the conveyor system, and the whole conveyor system is supported by nuts and bolts here connected to the T joints, and supported here by the elbow joint. So for this system, the entire support structure is made using aluminium extrusion bars, and we have used aluminium profile nuts and socketed bolts so that we can make arrangements when needed. And for the attachments of the support structure, we have used store-bought L brackets and two types of custom-made L brackets. So this is the conveyor belt. We have used a porous material to allow for water flow, and we have used 3 rollers which are made out of 2-inch PVCs, and we have used iron thread bars to support the PVCs in the extrusion bars. So we have used 3 pairs of bearings to support the rollers. So for driving the conveyor, we have used a 12-volt gear motor with 100 RPM, and we have used 2 GT2 pulleys and a GT2 timing belt, and the driving pulley has 16 teeth with the driven pulley having 30 teeth. So following this, we will be including a demonstration of the working prototype and footage of the final testing.